If you're caregiving someone who has a terminal illness, a few things you might want to do ahead of time, because I had to learn this myself, and it's tough. It's very hard to hear. Terminal means they're going to die. We're all going to die, I know that, but like terminal illness meaning cancer or something like that. Giving care to someone like that, you can be a good friend to them, or a loving relative, by saying, is everything in order? Is everything set? Do you have a will? Do you have, does the executor of the will know that that is so? Have you downsized? Have you gone in and purged things that you know that nobody's going to want? Have you made arrangements so that the move from life to death is easy? So is the funeral arranged? Do you have a burial plot? Do you have, do you want to be cremated? Are you going to be interred somewhere? Is that all done? Do you have an advance directive? Do you have, all the HIPAA things that you need to have? That's not HIPAA. The CPOA, sorry, get my terms confused. Are all those things squared away? And if they aren't, you can help them by guiding them. You can't, legally can't do some things, but for sure you can, make sure that they see a lawyer, or a lawyer sees them if they're not able to be mobile. Anything like that you can do. So these are tough conversations, especially if it's a family member that you care for. You care for along with caregiving, but the transition afterwards is easier for the family member. So if you're involved in it, it's going to be easier for you after the fact. If you know for sure what that person's wishes are, and you know for sure that they've done due diligence in, cleaning out their old magazines, or if there's something of value that they would want left to someone in particular, that they've got that stipulated somewhere. What's going to be done with their domicile? What's going to be done with their car? What's going to be done with those things that are of value? And helping them get that squared away if they have not done it already. And a lot of people haven't. That's key. And that's caregiving, and that's loving. There you go.